ba yung nangyari sa kanila? Tama ba? But sir,
Yung pong way na in-arrest, in-apprehend sila, is that right, sir?
Titignan ko muna ang sitwasyon. Kasi I don't want to talk without knowing the facts. I do not come from the DOJ.
Kay sir, nire-represent niyo, sir, si Casio.
Cassandra, yes.
not si Sheila.
Ito nga,
Cellphone po.
Sir, what about Sheila, sir? Sheila.
ay, hindi ko pa siya, I do not know her, so I cannot presume that she will secure my services. I have to talk to her.
How did you know, sir, na nandito na po si Cassandra?
Nasa radyo eh. Because of media. That underscores the importance of media in a free society.
Pero sir, di ba si Attorney Harry Roque talaga yung kinuha niyang
Nakulong din
abogado?
yata si Harry eh.
Hindi pa naman.
Ah, hindi pa. Hindi pa.
Naman, sir. Hi, guys.
So, sir, kakausapin niyo pa po muna.
Oo naman, no?
And yung next move depende po sa...
Yes, we'll see kung bakit siya in-apprehend sa Indonesia. Kasi wala namang cases filed against her there. She is outside Philippine jurisdiction. Kung bakit nandito siya sa immigration, there are no cases also filed against her. Although I believe there is a contempt order from the House recently, pero I do not know. Baka alam nyo, siyempre, mas updated kayo sa showbiz happenings. May arrest order ba siya sa House? O sa
Si
Senate?
Cassandra Ong po.
House. Sa House. So she should be turned over to the custody of the Sergeant of Arms.
Not of the NBI.
Sir, ang sinasabi kasi obstruction of justice and paglaban doon sa passport act, yun po yung mga dahilan daw po kaya siya
Bakit na daw passport namin? Did she use false pretenses to secure her passport? Yun lang naman ang paglabag sa passport act.
obstruction of justice. Sir.
And then, well, she has to be arraigned or subjected to inquest. And then dapat caught in the act. Kung hindi inquest case ito, dapat mayroong complaint affidavit. It has to go through the normal process. And ang inquest is pag-caught in the act.
Pero sir,
Pag-flagrante delicto.
Paano ito? Kasi wala pa naman po talagang kahit na anong reklamo against her, specifically sa DOJ. Wala pa po siyang reklamong
Exactly.
ginaharap.
That's why we want to know what's happening.
So, bababa kayo ulit for another statement after...
Siyempre naman, wala naman ako ibang dadaanan eh. Unless they also detain me.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.